Today I am reviewing HP 14 laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, we're taking a close look at the HP 14-inch laptop, Model 14, DQ0040NR, in Snowflake White. This machine is built for everyday tasks, schoolwork, and light business use. It combines a clean and modern design, dependable performance, and useful features at a budget-friendly price. Let's dive into the details that make this laptop a solid choice. The first thing you'll notice is the design and build quality. The laptop comes in a sleek snowflake white finish that feels professional and stylish. At just over 3 pounds and only 0.71 inches thick, it's lightweight and easy to carry. Whether you're a student moving between classes or someone who needs a portable work machine, the HP 14 is designed with mobility in mind. The micro-edge bezel design makes the screen look larger, giving you a nearly 80% screen-to-body ratio, which feels immersive for such a compact laptop. Moving on to the display, the HP 14 features a 14-inch HD screen with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels. While it's not full HD, the picture is clear enough for web browsing, streaming, and working on documents. The BrightView LED panel provides decent brightness at around 220 nits, and colors look natural with a 45% NTSC color range. For day-to-day use, this display is more than capable. When it comes to performance, the laptop is powered by the Intel Celeron N4020 processor, a dual-core chip that can reach up to 2.8 GHz. It's designed for energy efficiency and reliability, which means it handles web browsing, email, word processing, online classes, and light multitasking smoothly. With 4 GB of DDR4 RAM, you'll get stable performance for all these tasks without major slowdowns. In terms of storage, the HP 14 comes with 64 GB of eMMC storage. This type of storage is faster than older hard drives and great for quick boot times. While the space is limited, it works well for cloud-based users, students, or anyone who relies on streaming and lightweight apps. If you need more room, you can always add external storage or a microSD card. Even as an entry-level laptop, this device includes Intel UHD Graphics 600. That means you can enjoy smooth 4K video playback for movies and shows, making it excellent for entertainment. It also handles basic casual games, though it's not intended for heavy gaming or editing. The battery life is another strong point. HP claims up to 11 hours and 30 minutes of use on a single charge. That makes it easy to get through a full day of school or work without carrying the charger. And when you do need to recharge, it supports HP Fast Charge, which can bring the battery to 50% in just 45 minutes. Connectivity is reliable with Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 4.2, letting you connect to the internet and pair accessories like wireless headphones and mice. The laptop also includes a good range of ports, including USB connections, HDMI, and a headphone jack, so you won't need a lot of extra adapters. For video calls and online meetings, the HP 14 features an HP True Vision 720p HD webcam and dual speakers with clear audio. Whether you're attending online classes, joining work meetings, or just talking with friends and family, it delivers a smooth experience. This laptop runs on Windows 11 Home in S mode, which gives you fast performance and added security by limiting apps to the Microsoft Store. For many users, especially students and casual users, this setup is both safe and efficient. If you need more flexibility, you can switch out of S mode to the full version of Windows 11. On top of that, you also get a 1-year subscription to Microsoft 365, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and cloud storage with OneDrive. This adds real value, especially for students and professionals who rely on these apps every day. To sum it all up, the HP 14 laptop offers a thin and portable design, a 14-inch HD display, the Intel Celeron N4020 processor with 4 GB of RAM, and 64 GB of eMMC storage. It also delivers smooth 4K video playback, over 11 hours of battery life, and quick recharging with HP Fast Charge. Add in solid connectivity, a good webcam, and 1 year of Microsoft 365, and you have a great budget-friendly package. Overall, the HP 14 is not built for power users or gamers, but it's an excellent option for students, professionals, or families who need an affordable, reliable, and lightweight laptop for everyday use. If your needs are focused on browsing, streaming, online learning, and productivity, this laptop is a smart and dependable choice.